Yo, what's up, guys? This is Jared Teller from To Stay in Shape. I got my boy Chad with me. His YouTube channel is Soul Fitness. He is a professional at calisthenic exercises, and today he is going to be showing us how to perform the human flag.
Alright, like he said, my name is Chad from Soul Fitness. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a human flag. I've been doing calisthenics for 4 or 5 years now, and it's one of the most sought out exercises that people approach me about. I'm going to show you guys all the exercises I did to help me achieve that skill. And if you guys stay tuned at the end of the video, for my guys that have a human flag, I'm going to show you some of my favorite variations that are kind of difficult. So stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.
Okay guys, so getting straight into the prerequisites, I would suggest that you're able to do a pull-up because there is a pulling motion with your top hand, as well as able to support your own body weight, such as in a handstand. You can do handstands freestanding or against the wall, as long as you can support your body with your hands. Another exercise you can utilize when trying to learn the human flag is the side plank. I do suggest doing it with your feet elevated. That way it puts a little bit more pressure on your base arm. Remember, when you're in a human flag, that your bottom arm is your base. It is going to be pushing away. So this will also increase your core strength as well. So getting straight into our human flag progressions, guys, we're going to utilize stall bars, or bars that are horizontal to the ground. We're going to grab a hold, make sure that we're pulling with our top arm and that our bottom arm is basing, and then try to slightly get our feet off the ground. It's okay to have your bottom arm bent just for now, so you get an understanding of what the pressure feels like on both arms. Once you can accomplish the previous progression in sets of 4 of up to 20 seconds, now you can try this variation. This next progression, the only difference is that now we're going to keep our base arm straight, which is going to put a little bit more pressure on it. It's going to require us to pull more from the top arm to try to get our feet off the ground. Once you can build this progression up to 4 sets of 20 seconds, then it's time to get to the next progression. Starting at this progression, things get a lot tougher. So we're going to utilize our last progression, and then from there start turning our body out. You can do reps as I'm showing right here, or you can turn your body out and hold the position. Goal is either doing 15 to 20 turnout reps or being able to hold your body for at least 20 seconds in sets of 4. All right, guys, so the next human flag progression is going to be human flag kickouts. As you saw there, you're going to use the leg that would be the top of your human flag. For Jared, that'd be his left leg. You're going to use that leg to kick up into your human flag and then follow with your second foot. From there, you're going to try to momentarily hold. This exercise is going to be very, very important into getting into our next progression, which is going to be human flag negatives. Your goal here should only be trying to hold your human flag for like about 1 to 2 seconds, like 4 to 5 at a time. Now, attacking these human flag negatives, we're going to use all of our progressions that we did before. So we're going to kick up into a nice tuck. Then from there, we're going to lower down through our flag position, trying to take 5 to 7 seconds on the way down, trying to do about 5 sets of these guys. Most important thing, making sure both our arms stay locked out. It'll make for a cleaner flag and better form later on. All right, guys, you guys are finally to the last progression. From here, we're going to utilize the same exercise that we did before. Only difference this time is we're going to keep our legs nice and straight, and we're going to try to lower down through the actual flag position. You want to take another 5 to 7 seconds on the way down. You can do sets of 5 of this, and then over time, you should actually achieve the human flag. I hope this really helped you guys out. Like I said, here are some bonus human flag variations. This one's called a dragon flag. It's really tough on the shoulder, but once you learn it, it's pretty cool and you can utilize it anywhere. This next flag is a little tricky. It's more of a reverse human flag. It's really hard to get into. I can only sustain the position for a few seconds, but it's pretty cool as well. The last human flag that I'm going to show you guys is more of like a Maltese human flag. You do it sideways. It's really tough. You got to push down and pull really hard. Hope you guys can try this one. Let me know how it goes.
All right, guys, so I really hope this human flag tutorial really helped you out, all right? Chad had informed us about some awesome techniques that we could use to perform the human flag.
All right, guys, like you said, I want you guys to try to utilize those exercises. That way you guys can better ascertain your human flag. If you guys still are having trouble with some of the core strength, we are going to be posting some videos in the future that actually help strengthen your core, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys have it, please like and subscribe my page, Soul Fitness. And you guys can also like Jared's page,
Just Stay in Shape.
There you go. And also, if you guys need some extra ab exercise, he already has some ab exercises on his YouTube page. All right, guys, until next time, catch you guys later.
All right, peace.